EdTech Week, we will be unpacking what it really means for EdTech to be meaningfully adopted into our education ecosystem. The theme for this year's EdTech Week is building EdTech readiness in under-resourced contexts. We decided on this theme because we know that education innovation is more than just the delivery of EdTech solutions into classrooms. It's about creating an enabling environment for those EdTech solutions to be meaningfully and sustainably used. In order to create this enabling environment, we need to explore what EdTech readiness looks like for classrooms, educators, and at the policy level, so that we can design solutions that are practical and grounded in reality. By understanding the lived experiences of learners and educators and the system around them, we can ensure that EdTech really enhances teaching and learning rather than disrupts or complicates it. So at this year's EdTech Week, you can expect a deep dive into research, case studies, and lived experiences of a diverse range of stakeholders that operate at the intersection of education and innovation, and who are invested in creating this enabling environment for the adoption of innovation in our ecosystem. We will be showcasing emerging tools, best practices, and insights that we hope will inspire rich conversations, meaningful collaborations, and lead to actionable strategies that will ensure that all schools and educators, regardless of their resources, are really able to harness the power of EdTech. Join us at EdTech Week this year from the 28th to the 30th of October in Cape Town, and follow us on LinkedIn and across all our social media platforms to find out more details. Looking forward to seeing you there.